Lovely old pair of Solovair boots, Sole of Air, Solovair. They've had a repair at some point and they were starting to separate a little bit, and you can see there that sole unit didn't quite fit right. We've got the new sole units here that we think are the correct size for them, so these are going on here, and this is the one that's still together. We'll have a look, see if we can part that. This one's hanging off. Let's go and see what we can do. Over here. So let's get this on the last. Set that up there. And let's see if let's put that like that. Reach over here, get the heat gun. And again. I'm going to speed all this up so there won't be any. There might be just the Mickey Mouse sound that you sometimes get. Okay, that there, that there, that there, that there. This is the very important stitching. That's the welt stitching. I'll clean all that up there. Old shank there. New shank, just about unbreakable. It's going to go in there. Like that. Lovely. Let's get the other one stripped out. So the other shoe, it's got different shanking. These are beauties. So now, super careful on the machine, don't touch the stitching. Just this edge here, that's all that's going to bond this on. Just that edge there, look. Don't touch the stitching. Nice crisp edge. Beautiful crisp edge. Don't scour on, scour off. Right, that's the boots there. We'll just tidy this up a little bit, and got the shanks in, the old soles that had been on before, and then we've got our soles, our new soles here, the Solovair, and we'll machine those up and get those on. Lovely. So initially when these were new, that sole would have been welded onto this welt. And to get the sole off, this is a repair that's been done. To get the original sole off, you would have to carefully cut into the edge of those. It's actually, I think this is something you could do DIY. I think we need to make a video, show you how to do this yourself. You'd quite enjoy doing this, I'm sure. That's it, lovely, 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 lovely. Warm that up, and then stick that on there like that. Leave that to cool off. Oops, it should be there. Leave that to cool off and set. And that will be just a nice little repair on that welt.
while it's red hot, try and manipulate it back in. I'll get something like put it in, and then this will shape the back of it.
So we've machined this off, this face off here. You don't really have to do that, but I like to do it just in case it's been handled by anybody with greasy mitts, just eating the chips before they pack my order, or somebody here. And this is plastic solution that will eat into this material and stick like. Here we are then. Sole's warmed up, boots warmed up. Let's have it on the last. Are we getting that image? That's it there. And under there we've got some extra padding. We've got the new shank here. Let's just zoom out a little bit there. New shank, new padding, the sole unit. So now to put these two together, let me just. Beautiful, beautiful. I've got a press here, but I don't want to use it because the press can just push this and it just squidges it and just pushes and breaks the glue contact, so we don't want to. We'll just go around the pliers now and just nip that up to make sure we've got a lovely seam. Yes, that'll do me. So first trim is done. We're just going to let those set and then we'll go round with the second trim and get a really nice edge on those, and yeah, nice repair.